So on July 16th of 2025, I started what I would call a digital marketing 30-day multi-platform content creation challenge selling digital products, okay? And today would be day 11, but in this video I'm going to be covering day 10, which would have been yesterday, June 25th, right? And I do that because I like to cover everything up until the end of the day prior so that we have a full picture of the day's analytics, okay? Now, the goal here, at least, starting out, was to make sure that I'm posting content on at least 2 different social media platforms on a daily basis for 30 days straight. So it's to develop the habit that would take us through beyond those 30 days, right? Going forward, right? Because obviously, if we're going to be doing this long term, it's got to go way beyond just 30 days, right? And so far, we've been doing pretty okay for the most part, right? Like as far as like the challenge part versus the journey, technically I would have failed because there were a couple days in those first 10 days that I wasn't able to post on at least 2 different social media platforms, right? But the 2 main ones that I've been posting on thus far primarily have been YouTube and Threads, right? Which is Instagram's version of X, or formerly Twitter, right? And I've also posted on TikTok very sparingly. But with what I've learned, with what I'm seeing now with TikTok, I'm about to go crazy on TikTok, right? And then we're going to start incorporating Instagram and Facebook and some other platforms as well, right? But I posted a video on TikTok, which I have not, I don't think I've mentioned here before, which is really starting to take off with like some of the things that I've been learning about inside Digital Wealth Academy. By the way, that is one of the products that I'm promoting. If you want to see all the products that I am promoting, and get access to start learning from them so that you too can also sell digital products or create your own, go ahead and check out the link in the description below this video if you're watching on YouTube, or somewhere in my bio link somewhere around this video if you're watching on any of the other social media platforms, right? Just go check out my stand store. That is the place where I house the products that I am promoting, and you'll see everything there, right? The 2 main courses are Digital Wealth Academy, which is the one I'm promoting, which is the main one that gives you like like a good base to learn digital marketing for selling digital products, right? Which you can use to apply to sell anything, really, okay? And then the other one is a course called Threads to Millions, which basically helps you to grow a Threads account and monetize it, right? Without using the bonus program, right? The Threads bonus program. This is like through selling your own products, again, digital products primarily. And then I have some other finance products like SoFi, for instance, to get a high yield savings account. All right, you can also that's all going to be in my stand store if you want to see all the and then stand store itself. All right, so these are all digital products that you can get access to instantly, right? And I've just been documenting my journey here on on whichever platform you're watching, right? So as to show what it could look like for a beginner, right, that's getting started. At least just to give you an idea of what things could look like, right? My journey, my results are going to be different from yours, right? We have different backgrounds, we have different things about us. So whatever I'm doing here is not going to necessarily be a reflection or a guarantee of anything that would happen for you, okay? I'm just showing you what's going on my end, and actually trying to encourage you, hopefully, to get going with this. This is something that's available for anybody who wants to, anybody that's interested. The money is there for the taking for anyone that wants to learn how to do this stuff, right? And you can use it to apply it to your business, anything in life, right? It doesn't have to be just selling digital products. You can use it to sell physical products. It can be to promote you. So whatever it is that you want to do, okay? The skills are there. Once you learn how to use them or learn how to implement them, you can use them to promote whatever you want, all right? Having said all that, let's go ahead and jump into the results. So yesterday, day 10, I did quite a number, right? I posted I want to say it was like 40 comment replies on threads, okay, and then my own post about 10 or so, 10 or 11, and then I also posted a YouTube video, and then I also posted a TikTok video as well. So I managed to do 3 platforms yesterday, and I expect this number to only grow over time. I've got a couple things getting in my way coming up this weekend and going into July 4th and stuff, which will kind of hinder my progress, but hey, we're just gonna keep it going. I'll document as I go, share what I've done. And the TikTok video that I did is actually taking off. It's just one video. It's not like it's doing anything crazy, right? But if you're interested in knowing or seeing my TikTok profile, you want to know it, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll respond to your comment with the link to my TikTok profile or any of the other profiles if you want to go see them. Whether it's TikTok, Threads, this is here I am on YouTube. And so that's that. So let's see what that resulted in terms of like analytics. So let's switch around here. All right, so this is from yesterday, June 25th. This is the analytics portion of my Stan store, okay? So yesterday we got 6 clicks, okay, which is a record for a single day. I've typically been getting only a click a day, sometimes 3 clicks. As a matter of fact, you'll see that right now. So this is yesterday's results, and then cumulative results from when we started, June 16th. You'll see we've gotten a total of 18 clicks, right? And you can see on average, when I first started, I was averaging about a click a day, right? Got a click on the 16th. Then we had a huge jump on the 19th, 4 clicks, and then just barren space, 20th, 21, 23rd, nothing going on, and then 23rd, 2 clicks, 3 clicks, and then we had a huge bump yesterday with all the activity that I had. 6 clicks right there, okay? No sales yet, but we need to build this up to the point where we're getting, we need to be getting at least, I'd say 50 to 100 clicks a day in order to start seeing some significant traction in terms of sales and stuff. But anyway, that's where we are for now. One of the products that I'm promoting is called Digital Wealth Academy. It's actually on sale right now, so if you were ever interested in getting it, I would highly encourage you to do so, because it's on sale for $100 off now until July 4th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern time, and you are going to want to enter the promo code July100. Okay, I'll have that in the description of this video, pinned in the comments somewhere, right, or whatever social media platform I'm on. I'll try, if there's an area for me to put a little description, I will put that there. The code again for your $100 off is July100, right? July100, okay, and you'll be able to get it for $100 off, and that's only gonna last till July 4th. All right, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch. All right, I should have turned back over since. Anyway, like I was saying, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in my next video. Don't forget, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comment section. I will be sure to respond. All right, thank you for watching. Ciao.